Just kind of wiggle your toes.
Okay. I just need to take a second.
Go ahead. Say, like, which area specifically has been like the most difficult to deal
Oh
with?
gosh, always my left side, left neck, all the way down to my lower back. I sometimes have tingling in my arms and in like knee jerking. That one I loved. Yeah, that felt amazing. Oh my God, that was great. Yeah, it feels really good.
Okay. How do your
Feels
feet
good.
feel?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How's the low back?
great.
So all that
Great.
left side, does it feel different?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.